What's up, YouTube? Pastor Bob here. So I wanted to do one of my restoration videos, so I figured I'd show you guys this Orient watch. Orient comes from Japan. They're a sister company of Seiko. They make their own in-house movements. Really good watches. And I purchased this, used. It's got some cleaning up to do. I gotta fix the crown on it. Crown's a little winky wonky on it. But as you can see, it looks kind of, looks used. So just wanted to show you what it looked like before I restore it. And then I'll do another video here in a few days or so and show you what it looks like restored. Anyways, take care. God bless. We'll see you soon. It's Pastor Bob, and I'm out of here. See ya.